What is going on, guys? So today I want to be talking about how you can honestly actually get really rich for free. And no, this actually is not clickbait. So I'm gonna just get right into it. But basically, you guys know the amount of people that spend money on college, and then they're like, well, how do I actually make money, right? I don't want to work a 9 to 5, or my 9 to 5 is only paying me $60,000-$70,000 a year. How do I make more money? There's a couple of options, right? So either you have money that you can invest to make more money, but most people don't know how to do it the right way. So they end up maybe making a little bit more, like 5%, right? So even if they invested $100,000, they make an extra $5,000 a year, which isn't bad, but it's not going to get you rich. Or you need to invest more of your time, right? So that means working a second job or doing this and that. But then you're like, okay, now I have like another 100 grand saved up. So what do I do with that then, right? It's like, okay, you're saving it, but again, you're working and there's only so much time in a day, and the money's just sitting in the bank. So you're not making money with that either. Here's the thing. The time that you currently do have right now, I'm not saying working a job is bad. I actually recommend it at the beginning if you don't have a bunch of money to start out with. But here's the thing. Freaking go on YouTube, go on Google, and type in how to make money. It does not get easier than that. And then use your time to watch those videos. Or you can literally type in how to sell on Amazon, how to sell on Walmart, how to do Amazon FBA, how to trade in the stock market, right? How to make crypto nodes, right? How to set up a crypto miner, right? How to day trade cryptocurrency, how to analyze cryptos, what's the next big crypto, right? How to make passive income, how to start a social media marketing agency, how to run Facebook ads, how to make a Shopify dropshipping store, right? How to use Craigslist, how to do garage sale flips, right? How to wholesale, how to resale, how to find out what sneakers are best to buy, how to resell watches, how to rent out cars, how to buy cars, how to flip cars, how to fix cars, how to buy watches, how to fix watches, how to rent watches. I think I just listed like 30 freaking things you can do. And you can find out how to do all of those on YouTube. You can find out how to do all of those through Google. It is literally for free. Yes, there are courses. Yes, you can pay. Yes, I've used courses. I've paid for courses. Some were complete bullshit. Some were really good. Yes, I have a course. I think it's good. Do you have to use it? No. If you can, it's there. I'm not going to force you to buy it. It's like $100, right? Do you need to spend that money? No. It just speeds it up. But if you have time and no money, just go onto YouTube, right? I literally have on my channel A to Z stock trading. It's kind of like laid out for you A to Z. Yeah. But then people are like, but like, I'm so tired after work. I'm like, yeah, oh. I'm like, okay, cool. Then you'll be tired after work for the remaining 40 years of your life, I guess, right? So again, that is how to get rich for free. You don't need to basically buy anything. The amount of stuff you can start doing for free, and yeah, it's not gonna come right away. Some actually will, right? Instacart, you can do that for free on a couple extra $100. I just finished watching a video. This guy worked 100 hours a week for 1 week straight, so basically 12 hours a day. And he made $1,900 that week on Instacart, right? And after taking away like the gas fees and all of that, he walked away with a little bit over $1,600 in 1 week profit. Right? You do that, right? I'm not saying working 100 hours a week every week is possible, but if you just do that for 1 week, right, that's $1,600. Theoretically, if you were to do that for a month, that's $6,400 cash in pocket. So I'm just saying, there's so much information out there. Just look, right? A couple of people I recommend watching: Ricky Gutierrez, Nate O'Brien, Graham Stephan, Bia Heza, right? Like, so many freaking people, right, that you can watch. The list goes on and on and on and on. And you can make money with anything, right? So again, just go on YouTube, go on Google, and type that stuff in. You don't need to buy a course. You can if you want to. Again, mine's available if you do want to, but you don't have to, right? It's all on YouTube. If you put in the time, again, it's just going to take a little bit longer. If you have the time and no money, use your time. If you have the money and you want to speed it up, go ahead. You can do that as well. But yeah, just want to give this video out there because a bunch of people ask me, like, how do I actually make money? Like, what am I supposed to do? Freaking start researching and then start taking action. Anyways, hope this video was helpful. If you do want to get the course, first link in the description down below. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.